Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a caramel frappuccino. It's super easy, so let's get started. Here I'm adding some crushed ice. I'm adding about 3/4 cup of crushed ice. I'm adding some soy milk. You can use any kind of milk you want, about a cup of milk and 2 shots of espresso. Or you can use 2 shots of coffee if you don't want it as strong. Here I'm adding almost a shot of vanilla syrup, which is equivalent to 4 pumps. And that's it. We just blend it all together. Once it's done blending, you're going to hear that all the ice is crushed up. Use the caramel syrup to decorate the cup. And now we pour our frappuccino into our favorite cup. Once you are done pouring the frappuccino, you are going to put it with some whipped cream on top. And I am using an almond whipped cream that I got at my local grocery store. If you guys live near Kroger's, that is where I picked it up from. Now we're just going to top it with some whipped cream. And this is my favorite part, the caramel drizzle. This frappuccino is actually one of the most popular frappuccinos that Starbucks has on the menu. Here you have your caramel frappuccino. I want you guys to make sure to subscribe to see the next Starbucks video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.